This video shows how to buy shares of Memscap SA listed on Euronext under the ticker MEMS.PA. Memscap develops MEMS sensors and microelectromechanical components. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker MEMS.PA to find the listing. Make sure you select the Memscap SA entry on Euronext to locate the correct share. On the asset page, review the basic company information and look at the price chart to confirm details. Double-check the listing shows Memscap SA with ticker MEMS.PA before proceeding. Click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to allocate and review the order parameters, then confirm to submit the trade. If the market is closed, your order may queue or be placed as specified, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. A helpful link to eToro is included in the description for reference.